mics real quick. Aqua, you may go first.
Hi, thank you so much, Dr. Price. I want to personally thank you for your sweat equity. I come from a generation of, evangelists and prophets, but I have a 6-year-old, 12-year-old, and 24-year-old. And it is very important to me as my legacy to be able to articulate the language of what we believe and how not only what we believe, but how do we actually manifest and live in that. And I'm just so thankful for Apostle Dwann being connected to you. I'm so looking forward to meeting you in June for the Prophet's Dictionary and all of the resources, because my 24-year-old has been challenging a lot of the stuff that is out there, this miracle working stuff. It makes no sense to them. But I tell you what, I am prepared because I refuse to leave to allow my children to be lost and derail from their purpose. So I just want to take the time to say thank you for the information and the education that we are getting through you.
Thank you so much. That's very encouraging.